Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our today's session. In today's session, we are going to talk about Malala Yousafzai. Malala is a special character in so many ways. She has a huge fan following all over the world, but at the same time, there are many people who are critical of her and they do not approve of her ways. And today, we are going to learn about how a girl from a small town of Pakistan became the youngest Nobel Prize winner. The story and the struggle of Malala has inspired millions of girls across the globe, and it has raised a considerable amount of awareness regarding the girls' education and women empowerment. The story of Malala begins from a smaller town in Pakistan, the Swat Valley. Swat Valley is located in Pakistan between the high altitude mountains, and this was where Malala was born in 1997. She belongs to a Pashtun family. Near the end of the 2000, when Malala was 11 to 12 years of age, Swat came under the occupation of Taliban. Taliban at that time closed all the educational institutions for girls in Swat. At that time, Malala started writing a blog for the BBC Urdu. In that blog, she started talking about the life under Taliban's occupation and how difficult it was to live in those circumstances. She was featured in a documentary about her life. She also started speaking openly in the favor of girls' right to the education, and this was what made her the target of the wrath of the Taliban. Taliban and their terror at that time was getting out of the hand. The life of the locals was made a hell. The business and the local industry was completely destroyed. People were abandoning their own houses and they were migrating to the nearby safer areas. Because of this, Pakistan Army in 2019 launched an operation against them, and this operation was named as Rahe-Rast. In October 2012, when Malala was coming back from the school, her school bus was stopped by few gunmen. When they stopped the bus, they wanted to know who Malala was. When one of the girls in the school bus, she pointed towards the Malala, they opened the fire, and consequently Malala and two of her friends were badly injured. Malala received bullets in her head and on her face. She was rushed to the hospital in the Peshawar where she was given first aid. When her condition gets stabilized, she was shifted to CMH Rawalpindi. Army rushed to her rescue, and in the CMH Rawalpindi, the country's top neurosurgeons treated her. The attempt on the life of Malala caused the worldwide outrage. It was impossible to not sympathize with these girls who were attacked only because they wanted to go to school. This attack and the consequent outrage made her the most famous teenager across the globe. In response to the criticism, Tehreek-e-Taliban announced that killing Malala is one of their religious obligations, and they openly showed their intentions to kill Malala. It made difficult for her to stay in Pakistan. She was sent to United Kingdom, and following her recovery, she became a prominent activist for the girls' education. She also started a Malala Fund, which is a non-profit organization, and its goal is to ensure 12 years of free education for all the girls. Malala then completed her high school and took admission in the Oxford University, from where she graduated in 2020. She has been given numerous awards including the Nobel Prize. She has also addressed at the United Nations, where she openly talked about gender equality in education and opportunities to progress. That is how the Gul Makai of Swat became Malala Yousafzai, an inspiration for all the girls across the globe. Malala has her fans and her supporters all over the world. People appreciate and acknowledge her efforts and bravery in challenging the Taliban and their ideology. But Malala is somewhat a controversial figure in Pakistan. A large number of people in Pakistan are critical of her ideas and her actions. According to these people, Malala is funded by the Western countries and the media to support and to propagate the Western narrative in Pakistan. Some people see her as a threat to the culture and the national values and the norms of the society. According to one section of the population, she is funded by the Western organization to control and manipulate the mind and the Islamic system of the country. She is also criticized for not speaking openly in the favor of Palestine and Kashmir because it is believed that being a Nobel Prize winner, her words hold a considerable power and she can have a great influence on the people and she can play an important role in raising the awareness regarding these topics. Despite of the criticism, she is a big influence and is considered as the symbol of girls' education. People all over the world appreciate her and see her as a symbol of the human right, and a criticism on her is considered as a criticism on the human right. Despite of all these facts, we cannot deny the role of Malala in raising awareness about the importance of the girls' education. On one occasion, she said, "One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world, and we couldn't agree more." That is all for today. Thank you so much.